Hi again, it's Tony Hayes again from Paranormal Investigation UK, looking at the fourth video of today, Monday the 21st of September. This is quite a short movie, this one. It was sent in yesterday, I think it was yesterday. Yeah, okay. It's relative to today's date, it's 21st, but it came in at 1 minute past 1 o'clock in the morning of this morning, 21st. As you can see here by the date stamp. This is where the owner had got some alarms come off his CCTV system and decided to go into live, which is this here. He's either seen or heard something, the reason why he saved this just particular one. So this has come directly from the CCTV system. He's actually watched this live, and the reason why he sent it to us. So we'll get straight into this one. What we'll do first, I'm actually going to mute the sound, and we're going to review the visual first. This again is relative to the Chester case, those that are following it, and this is movie 170. Okay, he's put the big room there, but it's relative to the empty room, the one at the moment it's producing the phenomena. Okay, quite a sharp one that. Okay, nothing visual that I can see. The lights, incidentally, considering it's early hours of the morning, are caused by this. It's like similar to street lighting outside. Okay, we can get rid of that. I don't need that one. Right, let's go back to the audio. Okay, as before, as you see me do this many times, just simply use an EQ as a volume enhancement. I'm not doing any EQ work with this at all, and using the old trusty spectrum analyzer. So I presume this is something that he's actually heard. So I'm actually going to loop it, so keep it playing. It's only not very long. Just turn the volume up. I actually spoke to the owner this afternoon. Just really, we speak about every 2 to 3 weeks, really, just to update with how things are going on in the building. And we are going to be arranging another investigation, a third one at this particular location. He mentioned something about he could hear what sounded like like guns going off, and the reason why I remember this one was that I think it was on the investigation of the 31st of August, we actually recorded as an EVP what sounded like excuse me, air raid sirens. There was in fact a Second World War airfield that was built in 1943, and then it was basically shut down in 1946, just after the Second World War. It was a station hurricanes to protection of Chester and Liverpool, and I think the reason why he's mentioned this, he thought it sounded like guns going off, and this is the difficulty you have with the power of suggestion. Oh dear, I do apologise for the cough. Let's listen to this. What I'm actually going to do, I'm on maximum volume with this. I have got a little bit on the main master. I can turn that to maximum. I can't hear anything really. There is a steady like rumble, which sounds like a washing machine. Difficult to know what frequency that is. Let's just turn that back a bit. Could be 100. Really is difficult to know what frequency that is. Yeah, it's just sort of blipping there, 100, we'll turn it down. Right, okay. What I'm actually going to do with this, I'm going to turn it up maximum, then start to turn back the EQ, keeping clear of the 100 to say 160 Hertz area, which I think is which is there. You will start to hear a difference as I turn the EQ down. There's that frequency there, which is rather strange. Okay, that must be what he was hearing. You can actually hear this on his mobile phone, which links directly into the camera. Now, because he could actually hear this on his phone at the time, the reason why he's done this short movie is interesting, because it's clearly not an EVP, it's what we would call disembodied. But what is it? The 100 Hertz is an interesting frequency. If you're running a washing machine, for example, get it. Low end hum you get from some transformers or PSUs, laptop adapters, is around about 150. So it's not that. I really don't know what that could be. If you've got any ideas on this, please email us, contact us via Facebook or in the comments box. We do monitor all the comments carefully, so we would see the comment quickly and respond to it. Engine sound. In previous days, the actual units themselves were fully functioning in 1820. It's sort of Napoleonic era sort of building, very much Georgian. 90% of the buildings were smashed down. Others were refurbished and upgrade listed. The remaining ones that were just built straight on top of the original footprint of the buildings. And we have been capturing a considerable amount of sound anomalies which are suggestive of some sort of residual energy haunting type of effect. It was a brick factory. I can't find a connection with that. I just don't know. It's a strange one. I dislike enhancing sound. I prefer to eliminate or reduce frequency to get it so you can hear a frequency better, but enhancing I'm not really into. So you can see it's 100. If I turn 100 hertz up, it'll come get bassier. That must have been what he was hearing. When he actually plugs into these CCTV cameras remotely, he lives about 15-20 minutes away. He is listening through the microphone of the camera. What then happens is he's listening through his speaker, and I use studio headphones. I don't use thin speakers. It's a very bass frequency, so I think what we're listening to here is everything's mixed in as it's been saved. I just don't know what that is. I wouldn't even like to guess. What I do know is the building, it's in the middle of nowhere. You can drive onto the complex, no problem. But come 6 o'clock at night, everyone's disappeared and the place is emptied. There's nothing around there. I suppose if someone was to park outside, as kids do with cars, and have a bass speaker going, that would probably account for it. But it doesn't appear to have a steady beat. Don't know with that one. Right. Okay, that's it. Thank you.